Okay, let's go over how to apply a discount to orders. So first of all, we should clarify, we're not talking about adjustments. The adjustment system should have been already learned and it's in a different tutorial. That system is built to automatically work. You set it and you don't have to maintain it. You just let it run. What we're working on right now is when you have an off discount, something that doesn't meet the everyday rules. This process really isn't something you should have to do all that often, but it does come up once in a while. Let's say you're doing a job for a neighbor or one of your salesmen promised something weird on this one job. That's what we're talking about here. All right, so if we look at this order, the adjustment system would have already adjusted the price here. So if this customer had a discount, an adjustment for, let's say when they buy Alder, they get 12% off. This would be the price, and it would have already done its job. Depending on your settings, you could be showing the adjustment or hiding it. It looks like this one is set to no adjustment. So there it is. I have my price and my subtotal. So I scroll down. I don't have any discount percent. Pretty straightforward. So if I wanted to discount this whole order, I could just simply put a number in here. Give it a 20% discount, and it discounts it down to $9.46. So that's a way to blanket discount a whole order by a percentage. So one thing to note, when you put a discount in, what it's going to do is it's going to trickle that discount up through the order. So if we go back, we're showing the new price. We're telling them that on this one they got that much off. Now, this order is a little weird because it's only one product. So let me just quickly show you. So that's what it does. Let's try it a different way. So let's get rid of our discount percent for the whole order. So now we're back to regular price. And if you want to discount just one of these line items, you can by just clicking on it. All right, so I've gotten rid of the price for that one, and you can see how that works. So again, you shouldn't need to use this very often. You should really build the adjustment system to automatically do what it's supposed to all the time. But in case you need it, there it is.